Hello Kaki Watsons, it's me Nicole and I'm back again with another video. This time I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this smoky cut crease look. Now if you're ever looking through Instagram photos and you're like, dang, how do these people do it? Today I am gonna teach it to you. It's really simple. If you guys want to see how I put this makeup together, then please keep on watching. But wait, remember to click subscribe. Okay, right here. Just click on this thing. I know you want to. Don't look away, don't skip it, click on it, okay? Alright. So with every makeup look, I always start off with my eyebrows. Now today we are going to be using Max Factor's Brow Shaper in the shade 20 Brown. I usually line it from the top and move towards the edge of my brow. And you really want to just follow the natural shape of your eyebrow. After that, you're going to use the spoolie end and just feather out the front. Then we are going to go into concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Cent. With a flat brush, we're just going to go in from the bottom of the brow. And you really want to use this as a cheat code to define your eyebrows. So if you're not very good at drawing your eyebrows, this is a really simple way to make it clean afterwards. So it doesn't matter if you've messed up your eyebrow shape because you can always clean it up with concealer. I'm also going to use the concealer to prime my eyelids. And you can use any sponge just to blend that primer out. The concealer will serve as a sticky base so that by the time you put your eye products on it, it's going to give you a much more pigmented shadow. To do our eyes, we're going to use the Max Factor eyeshadow palette in the color Rose Nudes, which is a whole bunch of purple shades. And we are going to first stick our fluffy brush into a matte purple. And we are going to use this as a transition color. So just take your fluffy brush and blend it out towards the eyebrow. Next, with a more dense brush, you're going to dip into that dark purple glitter at the end. And you're going to concentrate this on the outer corner of the eye. Now you want to dip into it very gently because it's very pigmented. And you want to go back in with the fluffy brush just to blend it out. With darker shadows, you should always add in layers. So don't go dark too fast or else it's going to be hard to backtrack from there. So you can always add up layers. It's better to go slow than to go dark really quickly. To introduce a little bit of pink into the eyeshadow, we're going to take this CODE dark rose shadow and we're going to pop in this middle pink color. And this is going to give us a little bit more of a warm tone. To cut our crease, we are going to use CLIO's Kill Cover Liquid Concealer in the shade 3BY. Now, this, you gotta be really careful when you do it, because if you do it wrong, it's gonna look kind of weird. I will dip the brush in. I'll try and wipe off as much excess product as possible. And then I'm gonna hold and press on the outer corner of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna draw using the concealer itself. You want to draw a half moon shape in the front of your eye. And be very, very careful with it. Once it's in the shape that you like, you can go in with your fingers and just blend out the sides. To fill in the cut crease, we are going to use the shimmery shade down the center of this Max Factor palette. And we are going to pop that on top of what we've concealed. So you want to pat the shadow in just to make sure that the shadow sticks on the concealer. And then you blend it. Now with that same pink shadow that we got from the cake palette just now, you want to dip it in there, and you want to use this as a transition color to blend out towards the outer corner. Next, we are going to take our C.CODE smudge proof eyeliner. I'm going to start with the outer wing and draw a straight line coming towards the inside corner of the eye, and then joining it all the way to the middle. And then from the inner corner, we're going to drag the eyeliner towards the middle as well. So you're going to go in and just line the top of your waterline. So I'm just going to go off camera and do my other eye and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I've just put my lashes on, so we're going to move on to the face. Now I have over here the C.CODE Picture Perfect Matte Flawless Liquid Foundation in the shade Beige. So this foundation seems quite thick to me, so it looks very full coverage. So I am going to start by applying the foundation on my cheeks. It smells really nice. I kind of like it. It smells fresh. It smells like fruity, which is kind of nice. Next, we're going to use CLIO's Kill Cover Liquid Concealer in the shade 3BY. I'm going to use this to conceal under my eyes and also to highlight some high points of my face. And you can use any sponge to blend it on. To complete the under eyes, we are going to use Gelpresso Crayon Eyeliner in the color Golden Black. So we're going to use this to line our waterline. So you want to look down with your head and up with your eyes. And you just want to line. It's so pigmented. This is so nice actually. You want to line. And with the Max Factor shadow from before, you want to pick the darkest shade and you want to go in from the outer corner of your eye and slowly smoke it out towards the middle. So to complete the eye, we're going to use Silky Gold's Lash Prism Mascara, and we're going to use it to coat the bottom lashes. To set the face, we are going to use the Revlon Photo Ready Setting Powder in the color 001. And with a big fluffy brush, you gotta shake out the powder first. And with a big fluffy brush, you want to dip it in there, tap off the excess, and then go in. So the places that we crease really easily is under the eye and around the smile line. So these are the two places where I concentrate on putting my powder first. And once that's done, I will continue to powder the rest of my face. To introduce some colors back to our face, we're going to use the C.CODE Hush Hush Blush Powder in the color Orange. Now, I know that these blushes are quite pigmented, so be careful when you pick the product up. Tap off the excess again and target the apples of your cheeks. To highlight the face, we're using Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Rose. I really love this highlighter, and it's so affordable as well, which is why I love drugstore products. Now just watch this. Look at the shine, girl, it's so pretty. I will wear this out any day. So you're gonna use this to dust on the center of your nose, your chin, and right above your brow bone. And you can also go in with your finger for the bridge of your nose. I'm gonna pick up a brush and go in right under my brow bone. To finish this whole look, we're going to use this Rouge Heel lipstick by CLIO in the shade Touch Moment. Now this lipstick is so cool because it's a push to pop. Oh my god. So extra, just like me. This lipstick glides on so creamily onto my lips. And And if you guys are really sick of those matte lipsticks that really dry out your lips, like things like this, you gotta go back to the classics, you know. This is such a great alternative. And I know liquid lipstick are meant to like so you don't have to reapply, but just reapply, honey, and keep your lips nice and smooth. For getting through to the end of this video, and I hope you guys learned a little something from this cut crease tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Watson's YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye! I love sound good.